The Nissan Patrol, an icon of the Middle East. This is the first completely redesigned Nissan Patrol since 2010, and today we're going to check it out. My name's Abby, I'm the brand director of Approved Automotive. This car is here at Approved Detailing this week to have full PPF. So you can check out, we've done a full video on the PPF process for this car as well, because let me tell you, it's not easy. The templates don't exist, but it's okay, we make them. But back to the review video. As you can see, it's bigger and bolder and better design. We're going to talk about it later, but it's actually physically bigger than the previous generation Nissan Patrol. But starting at the front, you have these double C-shape LED lights, which house the V grille, which is even bigger, the V motion grille there as well. Definitely intimidating if you see that in your rear view mirror, but it all pairs seamlessly with the body. And speaking of the body, the Patrol, as I mentioned, is now much larger than it was before. Whilst it has the same height as the Y62 generation, it's actually 5,205 millimeters in length and 2,013 millimeters in width bigger. As if this car didn't already have big presence on the road, it's now even bigger. And it's rival the Toyota Land Cruiser. Who's counting here? But if we are, it actually has slightly bigger measurements, just slightly. So you've got these nice 20-inch alloy wheels, and then if we go round to the back, you're going to see there's a completely new design here in a full LED light bar across the back, and again, the double C design with regards to the tail lights. Okay, so let's go check inside. First thoughts, it's all about the luxury. You have these Japanese design-inspired quilted seats, which offer massage function as well. And then you can see there's a total of 8 seats as well. Very nice. And also the front seats, the 8-way optional. The focal point of this dash is the colossal 28.6-inch monolith display that is split exactly in two at 14.3-inch screens. Happy to know that it's a touchscreen, including your navigation and entertainment, which is powered by Nissan Connect 2 and with Google integration as well. Yalla, let's go for a drive. Where's the gear lever? Where is the gear lever? Well, only joking, that's the thing. As you can see, there is no gear lever in this car, but it is replaced by the buttons here, park, reverse, neutral and drive. I'm not sure how I feel about that in all honesty, because I'm not sure if it takes away of the emotion of driving, especially if you drove a vehicle like this in the desert. But let us know what you think. Now, when it comes to desert driving, you do get 6 different drive modes available with the dial here, and that includes sand, rock and mud. You do have a ground clearance of 253 millimeters, meaning no worries there. And it is 18 millimeter more than its nemesis, the Land Cruiser. However, it is 20 millimeter lower than the Y62. I also really like the tribute here for the Patrol since 1951. If you're a passenger, you get your own 12.8-inch screen. There's also up to 64 customizable colors when it regards to the ambient lighting, and you have this really nice panoramic sunroof. In terms of power, you get a 9-speed automatic transmission, and then you've got 2 engine options. There's the 3.8 litre V6, which is 316 HP and 386 Nm, or for the first time ever from factory, the much anticipated new 3.5 litre twin turbo V6, 425 HP and 700 Nm. That equates to 25 HP and 140 Nm more than the Y62 V8. So what do you think? Do you love the Y63 Nissan Patrol? Is there anything they've missed or you would have changed? Personally, I love the car, and we're seeing more and more here on the roads in Dubai. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!